This video will show image sharpening in SAGA GIS. First we will get different bands of Landsat 8. Go to File, Open, and then since no TIFF images are visible here, just go to All File. Now you will see TIFF images are there. So get 3 means this is green, red, near infrared, and this is the pan image. So you can see here also, these are all 30 meter resolution, band 3, 4 and 5 of Landsat 8, and this is the 15 meter resolution, that is band 8, that is a panchromatic image. Now go to geoprocessing, then imagery and image sharpening. Here you will find 4 image sharpening methods are there. One is Brovey, then normalized spectral sharpening, then intensity hue saturation, and then principal component based. This method is not available in ArcGIS. So on SAGA we will see this principal component based image sharpening first. So click on here, and it is asking the panchromatic channel first. So you have to give the grid system. We know that panchromatic is this 15 meter resolution, and automatically it will take only one band. Then the low resolution grid system is 30 meter, and objects it is asking. So once you are clicking here, this will be visible. Now you have to click here, and you can select all 3 bands by clicking here and click OK. Now other things are like method of for PCA. We are having 3 methods, like using correlation matrix, then using variance covariance matrix, and then using sum of a square and cross products matrix. So we can leave it as default. Then this is a resampling, means what this method is doing, you are having 3 bands of multispectral image. It will be calculating the PCA, and since first component is having the maximum information, that first component will be replaced by the pan image, and other 2 you have to resample, because now pan image is 15 meter, so other 2 bands you have to resample, and then make a composite of pan image and other 2 resampled images, and then reverse PC will be done. So you can see when it is running, you will see how it is going. So we will also leave it as default, and then just click OK. So you see it is doing first principal component analysis. Here in the bottom you can see. Now replacing the PC with pan, and then resampling component 2 and resampling component 3. Then it is applying the inverse principal component rotation. So finally we have got all these 3 new bands in the 15 meter resolution. Now you can visualize it. So double click here, it is showing only one band. So for visualizing the 3 RGB bands, just click here, this icon, show object property window, and then here you will find graduated colors in the type. Here you change it to RGB composite. Now it is asking, then this color is red, so we are keeping the NIR as red. Then it is asking the green color, so 4th is green color and 3rd is the blue color. Then you have to just apply it. Now you can see this is the 15 meter resolution multispectral image developed from fusion of 30 meter multispectral and 15 meter pan using principal component analysis method. So you can create a band composite by using the tool geoprocessing, then visualization, grid, and RGB composite. Here you have to give the grid section, grid system as 15 meter, and red we are taking band 5, and then green band 4, and blue as band 3, and composite you have to create. So it will create a composite now. So this is your composite band of 15 meter ready. So earlier this one was just for visualization. This we have created a permanent layer that we can save it. as TIFF, as a permanent layer, like by geoprocessing, file, grid, export geotiff. This grid system will be 15 meter because we have created just now. Then we have to shift this composite image to this box right in the right, and then click OK. Now define the output file like PCA pan sharpen, any name you can give, then click OK. So that is saved now. Now we will go for other methods. So before that we have to remove these things what we have created. By clicking it OK without checking these boxes, they will be removed from the temporary file and no permanent file will be saved now. So click OK. So now we will go for other method, like suppose Brovey method. So just we have to select here the grid system for the multispectral image, that low resolution image, and you have to give the which one is red band. So NIR band we are using is red, then this is green and this is blue. Again for lower resolution you have to give the grid system of 15 meter and the pan image, and then these three bands will be created now. So click OK. So we are ready with the sharpened images. Again we can visualize it as RGB by clicking here this one, and then go for RGB here, color type, and you have to define the other layers like green and blue, and click apply. So this is the pan sharpened image by Brovey method. Similarly other methods we can use. Thank you for watching.